Welcome to the third lecture in the video series of project preparation. And in this, we will see how to format the chapter contents. So, we'll see how to title your chapters, how to format your sections, what is the style to be applied to the sections and subsections, chapter names. We'll see all those things in this video. But of course, I forgot to tell you one thing. Actually, there is an eighth page also after the cover page, which is abstract of your project work. So let me create the abstract page also so that you can edit your abstract here. And then I'll create a section break once again. Abstract is also numbered in Roman numerals, so that's the reason why I have created a section break. And now we have the new section. So this is the section where we are going to start our chapter contents, and as I said, this section should be numbered from now onwards. It should be numbered in so what I am saying is this should be numbered in Arabic numerals. So let me unlink this section. It is not going to be linked with the previous one. It is going to be formatted in a different way. So I will say page number, bottom of the page. Fine, it is there at the bottom of the page, and then I'll go to format page number, and then I'll say start at, and before that I will choose number format. It's 1, 2, 3, start at 1. So close header and footer. So now I have at the beginning of the new section, the new page of the new section, or the first page of the new section, where I am going to start the chapter contents. So normally the first chapter is introduction. So I'll say introduction. I'll type it normally. So introduction. So this bold is selected. Not necessary to select bold. Somehow the bold got selected. So this is normal. Now whatever this is, let me delete this. I'm not sure why this bold got selected. So maybe I'll type it as introduction. Now I'll select this. However I type it, however I edit it. Finally I'm going to apply a style to this. So it doesn't matter what is the initial formatting in which it has been typed. So this introduction is the chapter title. So I'll call this style as heading 1. All the chapter titles should be titled as heading 1. So to get automatic numbering of the chapters, what you can do is, you can, in the home tab, there are list creation styles. This is bulleted list, this is numbered list, and this is multi-level list. So what we want is a multi-level list. So our chapter numbers, section numbers, subsection numbers, they all should be multi-level numbered. So what I am going to do is, I am going to select a style for this numbering, and the style I will choose is this. 1 heading 1, 1.1 heading 2, 1.1.1 heading 3. We do not go to heading 4. Heading 3 is the lowest level heading what we go to. Normally it's not recommended to 4th and other levels. 3 levels are important. 3 levels are just sufficient. So I'll select this style so that my table of contents is numbered. Somehow I do not know why this table of contents is numbered. This is not heading 1. This is normal table of contents. By mistake, table of contents is numbered. So list of figures, list of tables, they're all placeholders. Later on we'll come back, fill all those things and abstract. So now it is numbered as 1. So heading 1. And once again I'll show you, I have selected this heading style so that my chapter, highest level chapter title is numbered as 1. And normally we find that the chapter title is centered. It will be in large font and there will be some space after the chapter title where the actual contents of the chapter begin. So now, because all the chapter titles are to be similarly formatted, we will modify the style itself. So heading 1 is automatically selected when you choose this. When you choose this, heading 1 is automatically selected here, and you will also see heading 2 and then heading 3. If you format something as heading 2, then you will automatically see heading 3. So you see that for every level, automatically the next level style appears. Now this heading 1, we are going to modify it. Times New Roman, and the heading 1 we would like to have in 18. And then automatically black colored font is Times New Roman. This is heading 1. And we will also go to format, paragraph, and let's add little space of 18 points after the heading, and the alignment, let it be centered. So I wanted the chapter titles to be centered, and spacing after the title is at least 18 points. And then the font is Times New Roman. The size of the font is 18, and we have bold. So bold, Times New Roman, 18, and after spacing 18 points. So this is the standard style which we will apply to heading 1. And formatting like this will also help you in automatically generating the table of contents. So that's another advantage of formatting this. And then okay, now let me come back. After the introduction has been titled, the first chapter title has been completed. Now I want to start my body text. So for body text, I would like to define a style. Actually, Microsoft Word has body text style, but what happens is unless it is used, it is not revealed here. So in the styles list, you see normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title. If I click here, I will see all other styles. So what I will do is, I will bring body text into picture so that our subsequent text, because most of the text in the project report is body text, so it is worth having a style dedicated for it, and that too a style which is already there, and we will slightly modify that to suit our requirements. So what I do is, I keep my cursor here and then go to styles and then go to apply styles. So the apply styles window pops up. So there are several styles. So I will see, as soon as I typed B, I got the body text indent. Body text indent is the first line indented body text, and body text is without indentation normally. So I will remove that indent and then say apply. So when I say apply, so from here the body text style is applied. But when I keep the cursor, I don't see the body text style here, because this is one more issue. unless you bring it to the regular styles window, that style will not appear. So for making that style appear in the regular styles window, I'll go to the styles window. So in the styles window, I just see body text here. So I click on body text and then add to quick style gallery. Add to quick style gallery. So I will add to quick style gallery. You may feel that even now it is not seen in the styles gallery, but if you pull down, you will see the body text style here. It is there. But I would like to see body text, in these initial style row, so that we can quickly select it, because most of the time we will be working with body text. So to bring from the last position to the initial positions, you will select manage styles. So I'll say manage styles, and then in the manage styles window dialog, I will see edit, recommend, restrict, set defaults. 4 tabs are there. I'll say recommend, and in this recommend, set priority to use when sorting in recommended order. So I'll assign a value to this, and I'll give a value of 2, so that it will be the second style that appears in the styles gallery. I'll say OK. I'll say OK. My job is done. So I don't need this styles window anymore. So body text is there. So every time I am typing body text, what I can do is I'll click on body text, automatically what follows is body text. But let us see the definition of this body text. So I'll right click on this, I'll modify Times New Roman. So our body text is in 12 font, that's absolutely fine. The color is automatic, that's fine. And let us see paragraph styles. How is the paragraph style? Alignment is justified. Yes, we want our body text, because that is the major portion of our text in our thesis report. It should be justified. And then no indentation, 0, 0. Spacing 0, before, after. So let me just make it 10 points, so that every paragraph will have a spacing of 10 points with respect to the other paragraph. And also after a paragraph, you may start a subsection title also. So then also it's nice to have 10 points of spacing. And this line spacing is double, because our report is double line space Times New Roman 12 justified text. That is the body text definition of our project report. Not only our project report, most of the project reports are body text formatted like that only. So I'll say OK. OK. So now I have done with a major aspect of formatting. And now let me give you a feel of how the text is typed, and then sections and subsections are created and they are formatted. So I need some dummy text. So for dummy text, whereas you don't need any dummy text, you have all the text material with you for your project report preparation. So for me, dummy text is needed to demonstrate to you how to format. Whereas for you, you have already the content, you keep on typing and editing, copying, pasting, and you can pull your content from any source what you might have made ready. So I will go to our Lorem Ipsum site. So Lipsum. So this is Lipsum site, and in Lipsum site somewhere I have Lipsum Pro. You don't need all those things. And this is Lipsum Pro. This is a text generator. Characters, words, sentences, paragraphs. So let me have a content of 4 paragraphs. Okay, I'll click it and then copy come back to my document and then paste it. So my text is ready. Oh, this already has some paragraph spacing there. That's the reason why I got additional spacing. So let me remove that additional spacing. That's an additional blank line that has appeared. Okay, that's fine. I have 4 dummy paragraphs. I will keep on using these dummy paragraphs. Let me save the document and yeah, a demo report. A demo project report. Somewhere you can save it. I'll save it my E drive. A demo project report. I saved it. So demo project report, you don't have permission to save in this location. Okay, no, there are some problems. Okay, let me select D drive. I'm not sure why not allowing save. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I saved it. Then let me go back. Actually, because I do not have content, I have copied all the 4 paragraphs at once, but you will be doing it, sequentially. First paragraph followed by second paragraph followed by sections and subsections. So for you, it should be still easier. So in my introduction, I have suppose 2 chapters, 2 paragraphs. And now I would like to have my section 1.1, and this section is machine learning methods, maybe. So I'll say machine learning methods. So I typed it very normally, but what I am going to do is I'll select this and apply heading 2. I told you, whenever heading 1 is defined, heading 2 automatically appears. And whenever you apply heading 2, heading 3 automatically appears. And now let me format it. I'll modify it. If you modify it, this modification is going to be permanent. For the rest of all heading 2s, I'll get the same format. So modify Times New Roman, and we will make it 14. Okay, because the text is 12. This is heading 2. Heading 1 we have given 18. So heading 2 we will give 14. And this color is automatic. And then let us see. It is left justified only. This is not center justified. Heading 1 is the chapter heading. That is why it is center justified. Paragraph. Before we don't want anything, because already before the heading 2 you will have a paragraph, and that paragraph has 10 points after it. So if you add 10 points after the previous paragraph and 10 points before this, it will be total of 20 points, which is unnecessary. So let me make it 0, but after I will give 10 points. So we'll follow the same style. And then justified, alignment is justified as left justified, one and the same thing, left. I'll say OK. OK. So this is how it looks like. A small gap comes here of 10 points. So 1.1 machine learning methods. And I should remind you that my second paragraph should be indented. So I am not creating any special style for this. Some people will create the body text indented, another style, and apply this. But I am living with one style only, body text. Only thing is I will add a tab at the beginning. So similarly, this page number is 1, that's fine, and I will add a tab here. So this is how I keep on editing my body text. So let me copy this, which I will use subsequently. And now in machine learning methods, I want to have, let me type backspace, because the previous paragraph has a tab. I will get a tab automatically now. So let me type a backspace, and then let me start a subsection in machine learning methods as supervised learning methods. So okay, supervised learning methods. So this is my subsection. So I'll do this, and then I'll say heading 3, and let me modify 1.1 first subsection. So it is 1.1.1. It is Times New Roman. I'll keep it 12. I'll keep it bold, automatic, format, paragraph. I hope before it has 10 points. No, I'll make it as 0, and after I'll make it as 10 points. Not 12 is too big. 10 points. Alignment is either justified or left. That's fine. Supervised learning methods. And then now my body text. It's not normal, it is body text. I should keep checking. Whenever I change formatting, I'll come back to normal. Instead, I will go to body text. So I press enter here, and I am with body text. Maybe 2 more paragraphs I have edited. Okay. In supervised learning methods, because I have copy pasted the same 2 paragraphs, this does not have an indent. Let me add the indent. The next one is anyhow adding indent. Now enter, backspace, and now I want to create another subsection, unsupervised learning methods. So unsupervised learning methods, and this time I'll just say heading 3, unsupervised learning methods is so I edited this text, what is supposed to be done, because it should be indented after the first paragraph. So this is how it runs on point to deep learning, and then probably you can add few more sections and subsections. It's a repetitive task. So this is how you can start formatting your chapters and the content in that. I feel that my unsupervised learning should come first, then I'll just drag it upwards. I get my unsupervised learning, and automatically it becomes 1.1.1, and supervised learning becomes 1.1.2. That is the advantage with formatting in this way, so that you have much control on your structure of the document. If I would like to have deep learning as 1.1, maybe I'll move it here so that I'll have deep learning as 1.1, and then I will have 1.2 as machine learning, in which I have supervised and unsupervised learning. And let me take a print view of it. After saving it, it is saved already. So let me take a print view starting from project report on, fine, cover page, then certificate page, declaration page, acknowledgement, table of contents placeholder, list of figures placeholder, list of tables placeholder, and then abstract placeholder, and then first chapter 1.1 deep learning, few paragraphs, 1.2 machine learning. I think there is one additional blank line here. So let me go to view, full screen reading, view options, hello typing. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So there is let me delete this. Actually it should appear, it's not oh, I actually hello typing was selected, I deselected it unfortunately. Okay, delete. So this is what I was exactly telling you earlier. So I go to the next page. Fine. Okay, so this is how I have edited my first chapter. So then I will edit my second chapter. So what I will do is I take the liberty of copying this whole thing. You are not supposed to do that. You will not do that. So I copy this. Okay, and then create a section break. I will create a section break. I go to the page layout, breaks, and then a section, and then